Grade 9s, we are looking at Module 2, which refers to the drawing techniques. But before we even go into the drawing techniques, it's very important that you need to work very accurately. And for that, we need to be able to use our ruler very effectively in terms of measuring various lines. So I'm going to give you this first activity, which refers to this 3D drawing over here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 18 empty spaces here, and the 18 numbers each indicate to a specific dimension on this particular 3D drawing. And the instruction says very clearly that you must use the ruler which you have as part of your package. And the ruler obviously works in millimeters. We're not going to use centimeters, but we are going to use millimeters so that we are very accurate in terms of our dimensions. So what you need to do in this particular activity is to look at each of the specific dimensions, 1 to number 18, measure accurately on the 3D drawing, and record the answer in this empty block here. For example, I'm going to do number 1. So there is my number 1. And I'm going to slant my ruler like that, making sure that the 0 point is perfectly allocated on the end of my arrow line or my dimension line. And I find where the other arrow actually stops. And then that dimension reading will be from there to there, which is 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle. So that's going to be 25 millimeters as I will record it here. Okay, as perfect as that. And so I'm going to go to number 2 and measure from arrowhead to arrowhead. Very importantly, be very accurate and record all of that in here. That is the first activity which I want you to do with regard to dimensioning.